Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made beautiful wall art using these 11 by 14 canvases from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was use hot glue and craft sticks to adhere two of my canvas boards together. I followed those same steps to attach a third board. I made two of these pieces, and then I used additional hot glue and craft sticks to attach both pieces together. I then turned over my large canvas and used Dollar Tree spackle to fill in the spaces between each of the smaller canvases. I'm covering my canvas with this Dollar Tree pouring medium mixed with acrylic paints and other materials that I already had at home. First, I covered my entire canvas with a mixture of pouring medium and white pearl acrylic paint. I then mixed the pouring medium with my gold paints and more of the white pearl paint, and I poured those paints directly onto the canvas. Here, it looks like I'm working with three different colors, but I've actually mixed some of the champagne gold and the pearl white paint together to create the third lighter gold shade. Here, I'm tilting my canvas to spread my paint. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. I'm creating something very abstract, so I continued to play around with the colors until I was happy with my final design. I wanted to keep the paint towards the center of the canvas, so here I'm using a sponge brush to smooth out the edges. I'll explain why a little bit later on in the project. Here, my colors are a bit darker than I wanted, so I've added more of the pearl white paint. I'm also using a hair dryer to spread the paint along the canvas. At this point, I had run out of pouring medium and had added a bit of water to my mixture. This was probably not a good idea. As you can see, the paints were very runny, but again, I continued to work with my piece. I definitely was not going to give up on it. I've decided to build a frame for my canvas art using these Dollar Tree wood planks. Here, I'm using generous amounts of wood glue to adhere 4 of the wood planks together. I allowed my wood glue to dry for about 30 minutes, and then I used more of the spackle to fill in the space in between each of the wood planks. I then painted each of the wood planks. I first added 1 coat of the champagne gold and then 2 coats of the pearl white. This gives the wood planks a really pretty pearl white finish with gold undertones. Once my wood planks were dry to the touch, I used Gorilla Construction adhesive to adhere the planks along the outside perimeter of my canvas. Because I have very little paint along the outside perimeter of my canvas, the construction adhesive adheres the wood planks to my canvas very well. Once my canvas frame was in place, I let my entire design dry for a full 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.